Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, your go-to destination for all things living room decoration. We believe that the heart of any home is the living room. It's where families gather, friends connect, and memories are made. Our channel is dedicated to helping you transform your living space into a heaven of style, comfort, and functionality. Join us on a journey of interior design inspiration where we explore a wide range of themes, styles, and budget friendly ideas to suit every taste and space. From classic elegance to modern minimalism, we have got it all covered. Our team of experienced decorators and design enthusiasts will guide you through step by step tutorials, insightful tips, and creative dye projects, ensuring that you have the knowledge and confidence to embark on your own decorating adventures.